Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn a new topic that is grammar only, alliteration. Okay, alliteration. So it comes under vocabulary junction. Okay, page number 92. Read this line from the poem. Some are meet for a maiden's wrist. So they have given one, what is that, sentence from the poem. Okay, what is the sentence? Some are meet for a maiden's wrist. Okay, so here in the above line there is a repetition of the M sound at the beginning of two words that are close to one another. This is an example of alliteration. Okay, so what is the topic we are learning now? Alliteration. So what is the definition of alliteration is, so now we have seen the, what is it, sentence. Some are meet for a maiden's wrist. Okay, so here the letter M, okay, the letter M, it gives the same sound. Okay, it gives the same sound, so that we call it as alliteration. Okay, so there is a repetition of M sound is coming. The repetition of M sound is coming at the beginning of two words. Okay, in this sentence the repetition of M sound is coming at the beginning of two words. Okay, that are close to one another. Okay, that are close to one another, same sound, no, M. Okay, so here meet for a maiden, so the M sound is coming. So the repetition of M sound is coming means not only M sound, repetition of M sound at the beginning of two words that are close to one another. This is an example of alliteration. Okay, here we have seen M sound. Sometimes it may be another letter also. So the same letter sound comes means that we call it as alliteration. Okay, alliteration. The repetition of same sound, usually a consonant sound at the beginning of words that are close to one another, is called alliteration. So another thing also you have to remind in your mind, this repetition of sound, no, it mostly consonant sound. Consonant sound, you know, vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. Rest of the letters we call it as consonant sound. So mostly the consonant sound we call it as, what is it, alliteration. Repetition of the same sound. So another example. Okay, another examples of alliteration is many a man, many a mine. So here that M, here also M, M, M. Okay, all the sound are same. Next one, time and tide. So here what sound is repeating? T. Wait for none. Second one, P sound. Okay, Peter, Piper, picked. How the sound is repeatedly come? Look at that sentence. Okay, so in the second sentence, time and tide for none. So the repetition of T sound is coming, T, T. Okay, and then next one, here the repetition of P sound is coming. Peter Piper picked a peck, pickled pepper. Okay, the same P sound is coming. So, the repetition of same sound comes means we call it as alliteration, and it mostly consonant sound only. Okay. And then next example is Betty bought some butter. But she said the butter's bitter. So here Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. Okay. So here what sound is coming? B sound is again repeatedly coming. Understand? So in the first stanza M sound is repeatedly coming. The second stanza, sentence, T sound is coming. Third sentence, P sound is coming, and fourth one is B sound. Okay, so in a sentence, repeatedly the same sound comes means we call it as alliteration. Okay, mostly in the poem we can see like that. Okay, now you are clear about what is alliteration. Now we are going to see, it's mostly, what is that? Consonant sound, not vowel sound, consonant sound. Alliteration mostly consonant sound. Now we are going to learn assonance. What is that? Assonance. Now we are going to see some examples. For she who as what journeyed through life midway. So here which word they have? Listen, not here, here they have given. Listen, whenever when you are seeing the what is that, black bold letters, you have to concentrate that why they have given. Here also they have given black bold letters. Okay, that is O. Okay, O and O. O is which sound? Vowel sound. Alliteration we have studied about consonant sound. Now assonance means what is that? Vowel sound. So here what is that? When we read the above line aloud, we will notice that there is a repetition of vowel sound. So when the repetition of vowel sound is comes means what is that? The sound U is coming. Okay. Who, through. Okay, so U sound is coming. So that we called it as assonance. Okay, so the repetition of the vowel sound, U sound is coming. So okay, that we called it as assonance. Understand? Who, through. Okay, so the repetition of U sound we called it as what is that? Assonance. In the poem Bangle Sellers, the poet has used alliteration and assonance to make the poem more musical. So we have studied that Bangle Sellers. In that poem, the poet used the alliteration and assonance in the poem. Okay. The following examples show how alliteration and assonance are used to attract a reader's attention. So, one more two examples we are going to see the assonance. Okay. Here, a stitch in time saves. Vowel sound, you know what is that? A-E-I-O-U. So assonance means vowel sound will come. Alliteration means consonant sound will come. So here I is the, what is that? Assonance. Okay, repeatedly the I sound is coming. I is vowel sound. So the repeatedly I sound is coming. So this I sound we call it as assonance. Okay, and then here haste makes waste. So here which sound is A sound? Repeatedly vowel sound is coming. Okay, that word also we call it as what? Letter also we call it as vowel sound and assonance. Okay. So here the mellow wedding bells, that also what is it? Black letters they have given. E also vowel sound, and then I also vowel sound, A also vowel sound. Okay. So one thing you have to remind in your mind, alliteration is repetition of same letters. Okay. It mostly consonant sound, that we call it as alliteration. Assonance means vowel sound, the repetition of vowel sound, A-E-I-O-U, that and all, very easy. Okay. I hope you all understand this alliteration and assonance. In your textbook 92 and 93 page number, they have beautifully given the examples. See that. If you have any doubt in this particular chapter means you can ask me. Okay. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.